We start by placing in a roasted tin 3 peppers, cored and quartered, 1 red onion, peeled and quartered, 1 whole butternut squash, de-seeded, peeled and chopped into even chunks, 2 small bulbs of garlic with the tops removed, skins can remain on, a generous pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We shake all this together before placing in a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for 30 to 40 minutes or until the vegetables are soft and cooked and emitting a delicious aroma like so. Once the vegetables are cooked, there are 2 options. Do as I did and just place it all in the pan, ensuring to squeeze the garlic out of their skins, being careful to not burn your fingers. Or, if some people do not like the charred skins, you may wish to remove from the peppers first before adding to the pan. Personally, I see no difference, or not much, and the charring was slight. The bitterness helped to lessen the sweetness of this dish. Add to this pot 3 vegetable stock cubes and enough hot water to just cover the vegetable mixture. We season this with white pepper before covering and simmering for around 20 minutes. When cooked, we simply add the mixture to a blender and pulse before blending at high speed. We then remove this mixture and strain through a sieve back into the cooking pot to ensure a smooth consistency. At this stage, the mixture should be thick enough, but you can either add more water if you prefer a thinner consistency. Alternatively, if you have too thin a mixture, you can use a corn flour slurry, which is 2 tablespoons of corn flour to 2 tablespoons of water mixed to help thicken the mixture. The tastiest roasted pepper and butternut squash soup is now complete. Pour this into a serving dish before topping with a dash of double cream, plenty of finely grated parmesan and a generous amount of cracked black pepper. Serve with anything of choice: bread, croutons, cheese bombs, even chips. Thank you very much for watching. If on Facebook, please feel free to comment, share, save or follow the page. Remember, my videos do appear first on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe over there. If you are on YouTube, please leave a comment, hit the subscribe button or the notification symbol, and make sure to watch more weekly videos and help the Faceless family on their journey to 1,000 subscribers. Stay healthy and see you next episode.